The next step we're going to take is we're going to edit a photo, we're going to export it to our desktop, and we're going to upload it to Google Classroom, and this is how you're going to turn in your photographs. So I'm going to select this photograph here. I'm going to go to Develop, and I'm going to choose how I want to make this photograph look. So I can begin to use some of the advanced features over here if I'm comfortable kind of exploring those. Or I can come over here and look at the presets and just choose one of the presets over here that I think looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and choose turquoise and red. I applied that preset. I can see what the difference is between my before and after photograph. So this is the unedited version, and here's the edited version. And I think I'm now ready to begin exporting. So there we go. So I'm ready to export this. I'm going to go to File, Export. There's Desktop, so I'm going to select Desktop here. I'm going to put into subfolder, and we're going to call this Final Work. I'm going to change the file name to a custom name and sequence. I'm going to call this Mr. E 3 Light. This is not video, so you can collapse that section. We're not going to worry about file settings, image sizing, output sharpening, metadata, watermarking, post-processing. We don't care about any of this stuff, so just collapse it and focus on these two things. These two things should always be open, and we're going to make sure that it's always stored to our desktop in the Final Work folder, and that I name it to a custom name that uses my name. Whoops. Said Melister. There we go. Mr. E. My name plus the project name, and then hopefully another number. So I'm going to export that file. We watch it. Boom, it's done exporting. Now I go to my desktop and I find the folder called Final Work. So I got to look here. Where's my Final Work folder? There it is. There's my Final Work folder. And look, there's Mr. E 3 Light 1. That's what I want to upload to Google Classroom. So now I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to click on the 3 types of light assignment, and I'm going to upload mine to Google Classroom. Now yours is going to look different because you're a student in the class. I'm the teacher, so mine looks different. So we want to make sure we upload this and turn it in.